In a world where corals are facing increasing threats, a wave of hope emerges. Welcome to Episode 5, where a team of coral experts is upscaling and optimizing coral reproduction techniques in the Caribbean. With 500,000 coral larvae already seeded, this project is setting the ecosystem for a coral comeback. Rooted in the heart of Central America, this project is being led by Rita Sellares, the executive director at FUNDEMAR, with an international team from the USA, Netherlands, Antilles, and the Dominican Republic. The project focuses on improving coral larvae growth and survival to optimize coral breeding techniques in the Caribbean. By doing so, the team aims to make coral restoration more cost-effective for countries with limited resources. In the past 3 years, the team has been seeding over 11,500 substrates, with over 500,000 larvae to local reefs, the highest coral recruit production reported in the Caribbean region. As part of the project, a land-based facility for coral larval rearing will be established in the Dominican Republic, and the second one will be planned and designed to be implemented in Bonaire. Together, these facilities will allow scaling up coral larvae production in the Caribbean by doubling seeding units produced while reproducing more coral species. By engaging local communities, including coral restoration practitioners, students, the tourism industry, dive centers, and fishers, this project ensures widespread support and sustainability. The protocols and guidelines that will come out of the project will allow transferring knowledge and technology to Cuba, Costa Rica, Colombia, and Honduras. CORDAP is fueling numerous research initiatives across the globe through the Coral Accelerator program to secure a safe future for corals. Stay tuned for Episode 6 as we continue to uncover the amazing work done by coral experts worldwide.